I spent $1,600 at VistaPrint. Let's see what it got me. I have not even opened the box yet. Our first thing to open is this bag. So I guess you get firsthand review on how good these are. I mean, I've ordered from them a million times and normally they're good. One of the things I will say with VistaPrint, whenever there's been an issue where the print quality I wasn't happy with anything, they always fix it. So these are the stickers that come with the $19 tier. So I got 4 packs of stickers. I think I got sets of 100. Almost everything I get with VistaPrint, I would recommend wait till they're on sale. Oh yeah, that came out cute. The little warbler acrylic painting. You can see it's a lot of stickers. We got the easel is my happy place with the cherry painting. We've got you are made to create with chicken. We've got the dolphin tail from a recent painting. The only way to waste art supplies is to not use them. These are the custom envelopes that I get. They have glitch. They're teal, of course. They've got my P.O. box on the outside and of course glitch on the front. So these are the ones that the $19 tier get their card in. Oh my God. How many did I order of this? Oh my gosh. So I went crazy so that I'd have them for the next Aquashella. Holy crap, there's so many in here. I got mouse pads. I got, apparently, a lot of mouse pads. These cost me, I think, about $7 a piece, just under $7 each. So I'll sell them for 20 each at Aquashella. And I'll show you. Oh, these are nice. So here's the mouse pad with the octopus on it. So we got a bunch of those. That printed really good. I was surprised. Last year at Aquashella, I had some mouse pads and I was surprised how many people wanted them. Like really surprised. I wouldn't have thought that would be such a popular thing. Maybe I don't think about it because I use a trackball mouse, so I don't use mouse pads. And chicken eats mouse pads if I have one on my desk. So all around, not a good idea. But yeah, these are really, I mean, again, you know, 20 bucks. So I'm making a $14 profit if one sells. Now the downside when you order stuff like this for prints when you're selling is you have to store it until they sell. So it's not like you sometimes look at things and go, oh wow, a $15 profit or almost a 15. Yeah, but I have to store it for years before it sells in many cases. We've got, I'm just gonna leave them in here, my clownfish and anemone. We've got my rose, wait, how does he go? He goes this way. That is not right. That is the way he goes. I have issues. Goldfish and roses, more of the octopus. I got a lot of the octopus one, more of the clownfish. Oh, I got the one, the painting I did that is over my reef tank. I got that guy. Here's, oh my gosh, I must have ordered like 10 of the octopus. Here's more of those. There's like a stack of 2 or 3 in each of these. More of these and more. More of the goldfish. These are upside down, so I don't know what's coming. More. There's so many, like they were on sale and more. They're all the same ones. But yeah, that's kind of a fun thing to have. So I am not unhappy with that purchase. Now these ones, the postcards, if you are on the $9 or $14 tiers on Patreon, you get a postcard. The postcards just get sent as a postcard. It's just a postcard. If you want it as like a print, because some people will complain that the post office, and I understand the complaint, the post office will stamp all over it. I mean, it's a postcard. That's how postcards are sent. So if you want it to where it's like in perfect condition, the $19 tier, yours comes in the envelope with the print and the postcard is all in there. So there's no damage normally with those. People have asked me to send these in envelopes, but I would have to raise the price quite a bit for Patreon, which I do need to do anyway. Patreon is going to go up in price for only new people. If you're already a member, and so if you're considering, sign up now, because whoever is currently a member when I raise the prices, you guys are going to get locked into that price. I will never raise it on you guys. It'll be for newcomers coming in. I'm going to raise it by like $1 or $2. I have not raised my Patreon prices since 2014 and inflation. So I think that with this economy, it's going to be time. But if you are already a member, and I'm probably going to do this in about 2 months. So here's my announcement. In about 2 months or so, I am going to raise it probably by $1 for most, probably all the tiers. Postage went up so much from when I started this. Like I just at least need to cover my cost of the prices of everything going up. Postcards are more. Everything has gotten more expensive, so I can't afford to keep it where it's at. So again, if you are currently a member, you're locked in. As long as you're currently, signed up, that's not going away. For your guys' price is what it is right now. But I will be making for new people going up $1. So this is the postcard. This is coming for July. So these ones won't go out until August. So the way that the Patreon postcards work, like the ones that are set to go out, April's should have gone out in May. March's should have gone out in April. It's always that month behind. I'm getting those two. Will be done this week. But yeah, so this one will not go out until it's for July, so it'll go out in August. But we've got the watercolor from the live stream. That printed so pretty. I'm so happy with those. So we've got you, and I ordered 500 of each of these postcards. Come out. Oh, it printed good. The oranges and colored pencil. This is May's, so this will go out in June, which means in a couple of weeks I'll be working on this batch. I'm so happy. Like the quality, the print, that is one of the things, and these are nicer, thick cards. The quality of the VistaPrint are nice. Now I do gloss on postcards. I do matte finish on the mini prints, and I'll show you those. But this is, that looks good. And there's, again, 500 of that. I'm worried about this one because the dark stuff always prints really dark, but sometimes that makes it better. Sometimes it means I need to have them reprint it. We'll see. So this is March. That should have gone out in April. It printed perfect. I have to lighten it before I send it to them because I know their stuff prints too dark. It looks so, like the color is that nice, like that dark teal. Instead of just, I was afraid it would come out just too solid black. But that is good. So those of you who are members in March, so it should have gone out in April, you will be getting this in the next week or two. Ooh, this one I'm excited to see too. I'm excited to see them all. Come on, come out. So there's, the way these are stacked, they actually have gotten really good. They used to not be so good the way they've had to replace these several times for me because they used to just put a wrap or like a ring around it, but the corners would get damaged in shipping. They now wrap these in a way that they don't get damaged. Like it is rare that one of them isn't perfect. Oh, that came out good. It's a little lighter than the original, which I like. So this is April's that should be going out in May. So that will be going out this week. So the other Warbler, that printed so perfect. I'm excited. This one is for June, so this will go out in July. Look how good it looks. Like that printed so, actually everywhere I've had this printed with Giclée today when I did the actual big Giclées, and then this painting has printed great. Are we done with postcards? So next are what I call the mini prints. Let's grab a stack of these and see what we've got. So what these used to be were just greeting cards, and then there was a screw up with VistaPrint in their website, and they replaced all of them with, they had sent the flat ones. Well, it turned out once I had the flat ones, I like the flat ones better, so now we do the flat ones because they're more like little mini prints instead of just a greeting card. It just made more sense. These are what the $19 and up tier gets. And now I don't know which month is going to be for which because these don't have dates on them. I have to look at my notes. Oh, you look so good. We've got the otter. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at that teal. So that, and now these ones I have printed in matte. I always get the thicker cardstock. So that is an upgrade I do on all of mine. I get the thickest cardstock they have. The quality, it's a pretty big difference. Even with the stickers, I try to get the thicker one. Every once in a while they'll send them. And like there was one batch of stickers that was super, super flimsy thin. The sticker itself was fine, but like whatever paper they put it on, it was weirdly thin. This one, I'm dumb. I ordered this one, not realizing I'd already ordered this. So this won't get used. This will just be sold eventually in packs. So it's a little bit less exciting because I'm an idiot and I already gave these to patrons. But if you're a new patron and you haven't gotten this one yet and you would prefer this over one of the others, you can always message me and let me know. But there we go. We've got the owl. Actually, we'll do this. If you are a new patron, you sign up in June, or if you have signed up at the $19 tier, or even if you just upgraded the $19 tier, I will throw this one in for you extra because I know that you don't already have this one and I just accidentally bought a whole bunch of them. They're not cheap, but yeah, they're also, and the thing is backwards. I mean, if you do it that way, it's right side up. But anyway, yeah, you'd have to message me privately and let me know you want that if you're on the $19 tier and you don't have this yet, because I have extras. I may as well send them to you guys. So there you go. Or, I mean, really anytime that you've signed up, if you've signed up at the $19 tier, because I know that was one of the earlier ones. If you're on the $19 tier, you don't have that card, message me, send me a message on Patreon, and I will include it in your next one. This is one of my favorite paintings. I don't even know if I've sold it yet. I think it used to be in my office and it's not anymore. Oh, I have a good spot for this right now. I don't remember if I sold it though. But that printed so good. The dolphins in space, but also underwater. I'm just so happy with the quality of these. And I was worried about this too because it's so dark, that painting is, but that came out really nice. I've got a tower going over here. I don't think you can see it, but it's a little, actually here, I'll show you. It's getting a little scary of my stack of all things. That's a little dangerous. I may regret that. Let's see what's next. So this was the one I originally did the artwork, or when I first tried the Pro Color, the Derwent Pro Color. And the thing I didn't like is that I loved the Pro Colored pencils. They had the amazing purple colors. This is before Derwent Lightfast came out, but they weren't Lightfast. Some of them were, some were not. The purples were not. That was like super disappointing. But the prints will be Lightfast. So we've got the leopard, and it's got that beautiful purple. Like it captured the transition between the purple and the brown. Like I'm so happy with these. So the Margay, this one was originally done with Derwent Color Soft, or no, not Derwent Color Soft, Derwent drawing pencils, and I think that was just Derwent drawing pencils. There might have been a few other things in there, but that was mainly Derwent drawing. So the Margay with attitude, yay! But those are what my Stack O VistaPrint. I'm gonna move my Jenga project down before things start to fall because I cannot afford to replace all of these. These were extremely expensive. But again, if you get them on sale, it's not that bad. You just have to get them on sale. I would not pay full price for any of this. I think everything I bought this day were 30% off, but if you hit your timing right, you can get them 40% off.